Hello, good afternoon. I'm Theophilus, Group 7A. We are presenting on Charms Bar. One may ask, what is Charms Bar? The Charms Bar was introduced in Windows 8 as a universal toolbar accessible from any screen. And some of the purpose of Charms Bar is provide quick access to core system commands and also support both touch and mouse navigation. Also, ways one way to access chance bar is one using a mouse. You have to move the cursor to top right or bottom right corner, then slide along the edge. And also touch, you have to swipe inward from right edge. And for the keyboard, you have to use shortcuts, which is press Windows plus C. And also, the five main charms are one, search. For the search, we use it to find apps, settings, and also files. And also, we use it to share. Sharing, send content between apps. And also, we use it to start. Go to the start screen. And the devices we use to connect to hardware. And also the settings, access app or access settings. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Hassan Amoro, and I'm coming to start from where my colleague ended, which is search charm. Functions of search charm: search apps, files, settings, context sensitive, can search within an app. And examples are: while in Photos app, type a keyword to find an image. Share charm. Functions of share charm: send information from one app to another. And examples: share web page link to email and send an image to social media app. Start charm. Functions of start charm are instantly return to start screen from any location and act the home button for touch users. Thank you.
My name is Amankanse Kyoku. I'm going to be talking about devices charm. Devices charm has so many functions. One of the functions is to connect to printers, projectors, and secondary screens. An example is to send a video to a wireless display or print a document. Also, we have settings charm. One of the functions for settings charm is to quick access to app-specific and system-wide settings. Examples are to adjust volume, change brightness, check network, and power options.
My name is Pantana Kwame Eboa. We are going to talk about the chance bar in desktop versus the modern user interface. So the first one is the desktop mode. Chance bar overlays on desktop apps. So this desktop was more of a system-wide overlay but felt out of place, as traditional desktop apps weren't designed to interact with it. So we move on with the desktop user interface. Integrates smoothly with the full screen Windows Store apps. So we move on to the shortcuts and efficiency tips using the keyboard. And the first one is Windows plus C. It opens the charms bar. The second one is Windows plus Kill. It opens the search. And the third one is Windows plus K. It opens the devices. The last one is Windows plus I. It opens the settings. I'll end there for my colleague to continue with the next slide.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel. I want to talk about the criticism and removal of the chamber issues. Accidental activation, confusion for mouse users, outcome, removed in Windows 10, replaced by the start menu and action center. In conclusion, so far you have seen how the channel bar in Windows 8 was created to give users quick access to essential features like search, share, start, devices, and settings. Although it was later removed in Windows 10 due to usability challenges, it still played an important role in the evolution of Windows design. The chance bar stands as an example of Microsoft's attempt to experiment with touch-friendly user interfaces, which influence many features we see in later versions of the Windows. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you.